The F-35 Lightning II is America's newest fighter jet. It's a marvel of engineering. This plane is designed to be hard to see on radar. It can fly fast and carry many weapons. The F-35 is a key part of our military. There are 3 types of F-35's. Each one has a special job. The F-35A is for the Air Force. It takes off and lands like a normal plane. The F-35B is for the Marines. It can take off in a short distance and land vertically. The F-35C is for the Navy. It is designed to fly from aircraft carriers. The F-35 is a powerful tool for our military, but it has one challenge: range. This means how far it can fly without refueling. Range is important for all planes, but it is especially important for the Navy's F-35C. The F-35C has a longer range than older Navy jets. It can fly about 670 miles without refueling. That's like flying from New York City to Chicago. That might sound far, but it's not far enough for the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is huge. It's bigger than all the continents combined. China is a big country with a powerful military. China has been building up its navy, and it has missiles that can sink ships from far away. The F-35C needs to be able to fly farther than older jets. It needs to be able to reach targets and protect our ships, even when they are far from land. China's missiles are a big problem for the Navy. These missiles are designed to sink aircraft carriers. Aircraft carriers are important because they allow the Navy to project power around the world. If our carriers are vulnerable, it weakens our military. The Navy knows about this problem. It is working on ways to keep our carriers safe. One way is to develop new technologies that will make it harder for China to find and target our carriers. Another way is to make sure that our ships and planes can operate effectively, even if they are attacked. The Navy is also working with our allies to counter China's growing military power. Section 4. The Navy's Plan. The Navy has a plan to address the F-35C's range. It is called the F/AXX program. The F/AXX will be the Navy's next-generation fighter jet. It will be designed to replace the F/A-18 Super Hornet. The F/AXX will be faster and stealthier than the Super Hornet. It will also have a longer range than the F-35C. This will allow the Navy to keep its carriers farther away from danger. This is important because it will give our pilots more time to react if they are attacked. The F/AXX is still in development, and it will be many years before it is ready for service. But it is a critical part of the Navy's plan to maintain its advantage over China. Section 5. Keeping America safe. The F-35C and the F/AXX are important for our national security. They are symbols of American power and innovation. These planes will help to keep our country safe for generations to come. The United States has a responsibility to maintain a strong military. We must be prepared to defend ourselves and our allies from any threat. The world is a dangerous place. We face many challenges, from terrorism to climate change. But we must never forget the importance of a strong national defense. The F-35C and the F/AXX are just 2 examples of the many ways that the United States is working to stay ahead of our adversaries. We must continue to invest in our military and develop new technologies. By doing so, we can ensure that our country remains safe and secure.